Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. A warm welcome you all. This is Nazmul Hassan. How is it going? Hope you are fit and fine. Dear loving friends, a long time after I am here. Right now I'm in the field as well as I am walking along this aisle. Dear loving friends, you can see behind me a piece of land has already prepared for planting paddy plants. And our villagers and the farmers are very busy to plant on this land. So here you can see a little water has gathered, and our farmers and the villagers already depend on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So dear loving friends, they are waiting for rain. Here's need rain. When need will come, then they will get happy. Okay, so dear loving friends, I am just practicing and I am just learning here. I will not make it longer anymore. Thanks for watching. All the best. Assalamu alaikum.